Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Mac Auto Show in Ludhiana and I'm standing in front of UCAM stall and I'm here with my old friend Varun and a new friend Kushal Singh. Thank you for your time guys. So Varun, how important is Ludhiana market for you and how big is this show? What is your experience? Please tell us.
So Ludhiana is a very important market for us. Basically, the tractor industry is here, tractor components industry, accessories for tractors, as well as automotive. That's a very big major hub for us. And we sell a lot of products in this region. We also promote our Nimble Machines brand gear cutting line. So for tractor gears, that's a very well renowned.
Definitely, I think there is a lot of gear hobbing players are here who would like to know about Nimble Machine. A lot of people are coming. Specifically, tell us which products you have displayed here in this stall right now.
So popular product that really runs here is a Punion table called a rotary production system from UCAP that's being displayed over here. So when you have auto components, when you have tracker components, we have multiple different parts and you want to reduce the setup times. This is the product that people usually go for. We also launched a new compact treating cable, a fifth axis rotary table called the 150 USSI 150 tilting cable, which is displayed over there, which is actually meant for industries where you have small jobs and when you index it to multiple different operations. So these are some new products that we have launched in this.
Fantastic. I remember that yesterday when I joined their seminar, some of the people were very interested in the fixed axis tables because they wanted to convert their machining to fifth axis because they are going for more and more complicated parts. So I think they were totally interested, and I also learned a lot from your seminar.
Thank you so much for visiting and partnering with us. I think that's where the market is guided. People are looking for productivity, and that's what we like.
Fantastic. So we are with Kushal. So you have you have been working with Seco Tool. So how was your partnership? So how it started? Can you please tell us the story?
The funny story about this partnership is that it was started by his father and my father when they went to emo together once, I think around 25 years ago. And since then, we have become not only great business partners, but also great friends. I met Varun around 4 years ago at an event, and since then, we've also become great friends, and we have learned a lot from each other. Not only as, mates, but also as business partners, because they have helped us improve our product quality a lot, and we have also supported them in providing the good quality that they need. So we supply standard scroll charts to them for their both axis and good axis applications. And whenever they are in a pickle, they just reach out to us and we try to resolve it as soon as possible.
Fantastic. I think
So basically, our partnership with Seco has gone a long way. We truly trust in the quality and reliability of the products. We even procure large size chucks per 630 size chucks, and they're a very reliable manufacturer in India.
no, totally. And I've heard a lot about Seco, very good words. And when two companies like UCAM and Seco collaborate, it's a great partnership, and you complement each other. Not only your products complement, you also complement young minds, young entrepreneurs, complement each other. It's a fantastic, I think, Jodi, I would say.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was pleasure talking to you guys. Thanks a lot.